Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this portable speaker that it's also a karaoke machine that this brand sent to me for the video, which you can see how compact this one is. Yet it is pretty powerful as a speaker or as a karaoke machine, or both, of course, because you can play music with this one while also having fun with friends and family singing and doing a karaoke night with the lyrics and everything. So with this one, I won't be able to show you any music or in the video any music because my video can get muted. You know how it is. But I do want to show you how it works with the microphone because it comes not with one or two or three microphones that are color coded, as you can see over here. So you can have kind of like fun with friends and family, things like that. You put the two batteries in here and you're all set. These are not rechargeable. These are battery operated. It also comes with a remote controller, which I think it is pretty cool to have just to manage everything on the distance. And you have a 3.5 audio for cable for audio purposes, a 3.5 jack for audio purposes. You can also do the charging because this one, it is rechargeable. So you can plug this one on the wall and charge it. Of course, comes with the instruction manual. Just give it a read. It's super easy to comprehend, but give it a read just to make sure that you understand everything. And then a shoulder strap that you can clip right here on the sides on the hook. So you can just clip it and just use it for you just to have it on your shoulder or something like that. And this one, which you can see over here, it's not super heavy, it's just some heavy, I want to say, but you can see all the controls that you have over there. And I want to say that it has so many. You can manage the RGB lights, you can turn on and off the device from here. You have a USB-A port, you have USB-C cards, you have USB-C, not USB-C card, you have USB-C port, you have SD card ports, you put like some MP3s or things like that. You have the 3.5 jack, you have an auxiliary in case that you want to put a guitar, for example. You also have the LEDs control, and then you have echo, the master volume, and the microphone volume, as well as the same control you have over here to skip the songs and things like that. So with this one, what happens is just like automatic, just like this. And then you can see that this one is already working. Let me turn off the light so you can see this one a little bit better.
So now with this one, you can see how it looks with the lights. My microphone is over there recording everything that is coming out from the microphone. Like, for example, my beautiful voice. It's my beautiful voice. I'm singing in the karaoke machine with the microphone. That was pretty silly, but that's the only thing that I can do without showing you any music. But check this out. It also comes with the volume for the microphone. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. That's actually pretty strong. I have to say it's powerful. But it also comes with echo, 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 echo. It's actually pretty fun to add some of that if you're having fun with friends and family. I don't know what to say with this one. It's actually really good. It comes with the remote controller, the volume right here, the controls over here, the controls over there, the three microphones actually to have fun, rechargeable, RGB lights, compact, tiny but mighty as a speaker, or as a karaoke machine. It's pretty fun, right?